Hello students, now we'll be solving problem 2 from exercise 11.1 chapter mensuration. Okay, so first let's read the question. Now the given question is Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. Okay, this is the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. This is the outer boundary of the plot and she wants to construct the house in the middle of the plot. Now a garden is developed around the house. This is house and this is the garden developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Okay. So the dimensions of the house is given, the dimension of the entire plot is given, and it is also given that she wants to construct the house in the middle of the plot, and around the house there is a garden. Okay. Now the cost of developing the garden is given per meter square. Therefore we will have to find the total cost by finding the area of the garden first and then multiplying it with the cost of developing the garden per meter square. Okay, so let's start solving the problem. Okay, solution. Now we know that from the given dimensions, first we will find the area of the entire plot. From the given dimension we can see that it's a square plot. Okay, the length is 25 and the breadth is 25, therefore we understand that it's a square plot. Now therefore the area of the plot will be is equal to area of square, that is side square, and we know it's given as 25 square, so it will be area of the plot is equal to the square of 25 is 625, so it is 625 meters square. Okay, so this is the first part of the problem. We have found the area of the entire plot. Okay, fine. Moving ahead, we will also find the area of the house. Area of the house. From the given dimension we can see that the area of the house is the length and the breadth. It's a rectangular model of the house. Okay, so we will find the area by multiplying length and breadth. We know it is given as 20 into 15, so it will be how much? It will be 300. So area of house is equal to 300 meters square. Okay, now this is the second part of the problem. Let us label them as first and second. Okay, now we know the garden that is developed is around the house. So to find the area of the garden, how we can find is we can find it by subtracting the area of the house from the area of the entire plot. Okay, that will be the resultant area of the garden. Okay, so let us do that. Therefore now area of garden, we know that it is area of plot minus area of house. Okay, we know the respective areas, substituting them, that is 625 minus 300 will give us how much? It will be 325 meters square. Therefore the area of the garden is 325 meters square. Okay, so ultimately since we have found the area of the garden, that is 325 meters square, now the information given to us is that the cost of developing, let me use blue ink, the cost of developing garden, what is that? It is given as the cost is rupees 55 per meter square, and we know the area of the garden is around, it is 325 meters square. Therefore cost of developing garden, that is 325 meters square of garden, will be how much? It will be 325 into rupees 55. Okay, and that would come to about that would come to about 17875. Okay, and that is our answer. That is the cost of developing. Our answer is cost of developing the garden. Total cost of developing the garden is rupees 17,875, and that is the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. Thanks for watching.